All right. You see this gorgeous one on my head? Let's take a look at this one all the way around. This is a wig. Okay, this is the long Teresa in the Bali Blonde, and I'm absolutely loving it. This is from JBExtensions, and I had to pre-order this one, and while I pre-ordered this one, I also ordered it in the apricot color. So she's here as well. I haven't even opened this one, so let's get going here. I'm excited to see the apricot. Their apricots are really pretty. Okay, so she's gonna come wrapped in a netting, and she'll have tissue paper. Get rid of that net. Okay, guys, here's the color. So here's a comparison between the Bali Blonde and the apricot. Let's try this side. Different lightings. Okay, really, really pretty. Look at the coloring. Okay, so these are both 20 inches long. No, 22 inches. So let's take a look at the inside of the cap. I'm going to just take advantage of keeping this one on my head while I have this one in my hands. So you have that snowflake lace, which is basically from your temple to temple, okay? And then you have their bendy ear tabs, and I love bendy ear tabs because you have no more flip-flop with the ear tabs, okay? There's a metal stay in there that you can push down to hold into place. It has permatease. Yes, this has permatease. You can't really tell because once you get in there and really brush this, it just kind of blends it. It just lifts it up and blends it in. Now, if you want it flatter, you just have to push down on it, okay? But I like a little bit of volume up the top because I always had volume with my bio hair when I had it, okay? It's open wefted. It's got a fair amount of stretch. Now, this one, this is the small medium size, so it's suitable from 21 to 22.5 inches, and I'm 22, just under 22 inches actually. And the other thing that I love about JB is they have the Velcro adjusters, so you don't have to worry about that little hook and eye falling out. Okay, so what do you guys think of the color? This is their apricot color, so you have this beautiful, I'm going to say dark blonde rooting. Now, it kind of looks a mess right now, but we're going to brush it and wake up these fibers. But then it fades into this beautiful apricot, and then you get these really light apricot color tips on here. So pretty. Okay, let's take off Bali Blonde. And again, you guys, the fibers on JBExtensions are amazing. They just, there's no super shine. They're just so light and fluffy. They just feel fantastic. Okay, let's get this on. And you guys can see my hairline. And I'm standing in front of a sequin box, so you're getting some sparkle from that. Okay, so let's, what do you think? Let's take a look at her from all sides before I do anything to it. So here's the front, left, back, right, and front. Isn't she pretty? Okay, and you guys, I can't tell you how soft these fibers are. Bendy ear tabs, yep, we've talked about that. And it's made of a very high quality synthetic fiber. It's not only heat resistant, durable, but also looks very natural and realistic. And it really does. It doesn't look like you have a wig on your head, especially with that snowflake lace right there. It just, like, I'm going to come in right and close. Okay, it just gets in there and it just blends right in. Now, if you want to, you can cut that lace a little shorter. Yeah, you don't have to, but you can, and you can also use some powder. Sometimes people have said it looks a little on the shinier side, so just take a little bit of powder and blot that on there. But okay, let's take a brush and let's brush this permatease. And the more you brush this, the more it's going to look more natural. Okay, so let's just take a look and see what that has done. Now, because of that permatease up there, you can part this left, right, center, whichever you prefer. But look at that now. What do you guys think of that? Oh my gosh, she's so go over here for a second. What do you think? This is with my bright studio light right on me. But look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, we're going to go outside and we're going to take a look at Teresa 22 inches in the apricot coloring. Okay, you guys, this is Teresa 22 inches apricot and the shade of the house or the garage. Let's get into the sunshine. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's bright. Yeah, so she's beautiful. I definitely recommend trying these out. That permatease, don't be afraid of it. It's there to help you get that natural volume.